New York, California, and Washington have some of America's largest homeless populations. They also have the 3 worst coronavirus outbreaks. Suddenly having a population that leaves needles and garbage everywhere and defecates on the sidewalk doesn't simply seem disgusting, though it is. It seems dangerous and insane. Jason Rantz is a Seattle area radio host. He joins us tonight. Jason, thanks so much for coming on. So, look, we're not epidemiologists. We don't know if there's a direct connection between the filth of the places we just mentioned and the outbreaks they're seeing now. There's no proof of that. But clearly, this is a wake-up call for cities that you can't have Calcutta-like conditions downtown, no?
It should be. I am growing increasingly concerned. The more we hear about what we need to do to make sure that the coronavirus doesn't spread seems to make sense to me because I live in a home and I have access to hand sanitizer, soap, and water. Homeless people do not. We had a case today. You and I last week talked about the potential homelessness crisis and where it intersects with coronavirus. Well, someone last night was put into a motel in a city nearby Seattle. It's supposed to be an isolation site. They suspect that this individual who was homeless has coronavirus. They're waiting for the test. Well, this morning he left the self-quarantine site. He went across the street to a 7-Eleven, which he allegedly robbed. Then he jumped onto a bus and he left. That is a problem. When we have people who are in desperate need of support services because they're living with potentially a mental illness, a addiction, they're not necessarily going to be put in a position where they can just self-quarantine. They need the help. And we have yet to have a significant enough plan presented to the public that's addressing this particular concern.
So in other words, if you allow your society to fall apart, as they have in Los Angeles and Portland and Seattle, when a crisis comes, it might collapse completely.
Yeah, I mean, that's certainly a concern. I mean, this is something that was a long time coming, and people have been calling this out and saying you cannot allow the homelessness crisis to get this out of control. You have to actually have some semblance of a plan. And simply saying, well, we're not going to sweep people from these encampments and put them in the system because we want to pursue politically, ideologically driven policy prescriptions. Remember, we have a homelessness situation that the city council and this mayor pretends is a direct result solely, almost solely, on affordable housing. They blame Amazon. Amazon is driving up the rents.
It's a lie.
I'm sorry, but that's not the reason. And waiting to address the actual underlying causes so you can pass affordable housing policies, that's a problem.
No, totally. And I say this as someone who despises Amazon, and I mean that. I try not to use Amazon as much as I dislike them. But they're not the cause of this. You're exactly right.
They're not.
Tell the truth. Stop lying. Amen. Jason, great to see you. Thank you.
Thank you.